Hello, this is Ravina, and I'm going to give you a quick tip on how to set up your one-time email for using throwaway accounts with Anonbox. Anonbox.net is the URL here, and that's the service run by the German Chaos Computer Club, a hacker community club that is very privacy focused, and there are other services for one-time emails, but I'm recommending this one because with this one, I know the people who run it personally, and I do trust them. So that's the reasoning for showing it with this service. But you can use any service pretty much because you won't. It's not really anything you need to worry much about what service you use. So using what would you use this for? You in a roleplay context, like you probably will use that only for setting up throwaway accounts that you don't really care for, that are just for like a short event, like setting up a account on a game system or something that you don't really care about that it's secure, but you don't want to trust them, and so you don't want to give them your email address. So you wouldn't use that for something like your Twitter account or your actual like in-game game account, because then you cannot recover passwords, you cannot do any of the customer service things that you probably want to do. But for anything that's like throwaway stuff, this is a good way to preserve your privacy and not get any spam or anything like that. So you click on generate, and then your email address is generated. It's looking quite cryptic, but that's the one you then get, and you can use that to sign up for pretty much everything. Sometimes there are some of the services that offer this are blocked on some sites. Then you will have to Google for one-time email and use a different service. Usually not all are blocked. It's just Then you can sign up, and then you get emails to that. In this service, you will get them for 1 day. If you click that link here, you get your email in in clear text and in your source code. You don't want to do that if you're not really used to it. And if you haven't gotten an email, don't be surprised if it's just a blank page. Let me show you. Like if you haven't gotten any email, this is just a blank page because you have gotten 0 content, right? Your emails will be displayed there once you have gotten them. More convenient is to use that JavaScript thing down here. And then you have like a little web interface where you can read your emails. This for the vast majority of users works way better, and for something like roleplay throwaway accounts, this is you don't have any safety risk there. It's just use that and have your privacy preserved. Yeah, that's it for me for this little tip, and hope to see you around soon.